In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification with an Authenticator app in Payoneer. By the end, you'll have a stronger layer of protection on your account using a code that refreshes every 30 seconds, making it much harder for anyone to get in without your device. Start by signing into your Payoneer account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date so all the security options appear as expected. Once you're in, head to Security Settings. On the web, click your profile icon in the top corner, choose Settings, and then Security Settings. In the mobile app, tap your profile icon, then go to Settings and select Security Settings. This is where Payoneer keeps all the tools that protect your account. Look for the section labeled Two-Step Verification. You'll see an option to switch it on or edit your current setup. Choose to enable two-step verification and then pick the Authenticator app option. This method uses a dedicated app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator to generate one-time codes, which is generally more secure than text messages. Next, link your app. Payoneer will display a QR code on the screen. Open your chosen Authenticator app on your phone, add a new account, and scan that QR code. You should immediately see a new entry for Payoneer inside your Authenticator, showing a 6-digit code that changes periodically. Now, verify and save. On the Payoneer website or app, enter the current code from your Authenticator to prove the link is working. As soon as the code is accepted, Payoneer will provide backup codes. These are extremely important. Store them in a very secure place, ideally a reputable password manager or a printed copy kept somewhere safe. Avoid screenshots or unprotected notes because anyone who finds those could access your account if your phone is unavailable. Finally, confirm the setup to activate the Authenticator app for two-step verification. From now on, when you sign in, you'll enter your usual credentials and then be prompted for a code from your Authenticator. If a code doesn't work, wait for the next one to refresh and try again. Ensuring your phone's time is set automatically can also help keep codes in sync. That's it. You've successfully added a powerful security layer to your Payoneer account. Keep your Authenticator app locked with the device passcode or biometrics, never share your codes, and keep those backup codes safe. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.